Assalamu alaikum, you're watching Shugi News. Here are today's most important global headlines. The top story today: Donald Trump is reviewing a new peace proposal from Iran. While this signals a possible diplomatic move, he also warned that military action could return if tensions rise again. Analysts say the situation remains highly sensitive, and any misstep could quickly escalate into a larger regional conflict. Global leaders are closely monitoring developments. Moving on, preparations for Hajj 2026 are ongoing, but thousands of pilgrims are facing travel disruptions. Flight cancellations and logistical challenges are creating uncertainty for many travelers. Authorities are working to resolve the issues, but concerns remain as the Hajj season approaches. In a remarkable discovery, archaeologists in Mexico have uncovered an ancient Mayan city with over 80 structures. The site dates back hundreds of years and provides new insights into the Mayan civilization. Experts believe this could reshape our understanding of the region's history. In economic news, Ethiopia has announced a massive $12.5 billion airport project. Once completed, it could become one of the largest airports in the world, capable of handling tens of millions of passengers annually. This project highlights Africa's rapid development and growing global influence. Meanwhile, tensions continue to rise in parts of the Middle East, with evacuation warnings issued in certain areas. The situation remains unstable, and international attention is focused on preventing further escalation. Stay informed, stay aware. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Shugi News for daily updates. See you in the next bulletin.